Welcome to this lesson on the verb to be, one of the most essential verbs in English. Today, we'll explore its forms, how to use it in sentences, and how to ask questions. Mastering to be is key to building a strong foundation in English. Let's dive in. The verb to be is one of the most important verbs in English. It helps us describe who or what someone is, where someone or something is, and how someone feels. For example, I am a student, she is at home, and they are happy. As you can see, we use to be in everyday conversations. The verb to be changes depending on the subject. For I, we use am. For you, we use are. For he, she, and it, we use is. And for plural subjects like we, you, and they, we use are. It's important to remember these forms to create correct sentences. To create an affirmative sentence with to be, we follow this structure: subject to be plus complement. For example, I am a teacher, you are my friend, and he is tired. This is the simplest and most common way to use to be in English. To make a negative sentence with to be, we add not after the verb. For example, I am not a student, she is not busy, or they are not here. In spoken English, we often use contractions like isn't or aren't. These make the sentences sound more natural and conversational. To ask a question with to be, we change the word order. The verb comes first, followed by the subject. For example, am I late? Is he your brother? Are they at the park? This structure is used for yes/no questions and is very common in everyday English. Let's practice. Look at these sentences and fill in the blanks with the correct form of to be. For example, I happy. Next, she not a doctor. And finally, they your friends? Take a moment to think about your answers. Now let's check the answers together. The first sentence is, I am happy. The second one, she is not a doctor. And the last one, are they your friends? Great job. Keep practicing to get even better. Let's recap. The verb to be is one of the most important verbs in English. We've learned its forms am, is, and are, and how to use it in affirmative and negative sentences as well as in questions. Thank you for watching this lesson. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to leave a comment with your own examples. Your support means so much and it helps us grow. See you in the next lesson.